Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Look what I got. I got the So Sampler Spooky Box. I know you've probably already seen another video, but I hope you watch my video because I am super excited to open this box. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please hit that little red button. It is free to subscribe to the House of Jane, and it would really support my channel and put a smile on my face. So I have not cut the tape whatsoever, and I've watched no videos. So what you're gonna see is true surprise on what's in this box. This is a limited edition box that comes out once a year by the Fat Quarter Shop. Here it is. It is the 2020 Spooky Box. This card shows everything in the box and the retail value of it. So let's go see what's here. First item is a pair of scissors. It's called Black Magic Creepy Thread Scissors. Very nice. I have a ton of scissors, so this will be put into a future giveaway. It retails for $8.48, so I'm going to put that aside. Check this out. This is really cute. It is a Tale of Terror spooky cat hanger. So you can hang it on top of your sewing machine, it looks like from the picture. And it's probably, looks like there's some sticky tape. So you don't lose your scissors. You can hang it from somewhere, like from your sewing machine, and hang your scissors off of it, like a fob or something. This retails for $6.48. Very cute. I love the purple cat, and I am a cat lover, so thank you. Okay, here's something else. I do not have one of these. This is a 4.5 inch by 4.5 inch acrylic ruler by Fiskars. Very nice. That goes for $6.98. So far, 3 very nice notions in the box. And here is the fabric. Ooh, it's by Moda. How exciting. I'm actually gonna just rip it open because I'm very excited to see it. And it feels so soft. Okay, there's 3 fat quarters. Let me see the price of this. It's $21.48. Oh, excuse me, it's 4 half yards is a scream. Yes, 4. Wait, oh. Thinking I can count. There's another one in here and I can't get it out. Here it is. It's black. So I have a solid black and 4 half yards. Very, 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 very nice. Let's look at the fabric real quick. You've got this one, which looks like, well, I don't have to explain it. You can see what it is. Very cute. It's like a clothesline. You got a trick or treat fabric. Hope you can see that. And you have one of pumpkins. So really very, very nice. I love it. I can tell it's nice and soft. And finally, the last thing is the pattern. Oh, I am a cat lover. So this is the pattern. Here's another picture of it. It is a cat on top of a pumpkin called a cat-o'-lantern. Oh, wow. The finished size is 30.5 by 34. So it make a really cute wall hanging or a table topper. Very nice. And that pattern is worth $9.98. So that is the whole box. I loved everything. I don't really need the scissors, but you know, you get these subscription boxes. You're very lucky if you do love everything in the box, but I'm sure everybody has a ton of scissors. So these are really cute. I'm gonna give this to somebody in a giveaway, or my family, whatever. So what did you think of the box? Did you get it? Are you gonna make the pattern before Halloween? I am certainly gonna try to make that pattern before Halloween rolls around later this month. And I'm really happy with it. So thanks for watching the video. Again, let me know what you thought. Like and comment below, and I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. It would really make my day. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. I hope you had a good 3-day weekend. I'm back to work tomorrow. I'm sure a lot of us are. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.